Hello and welcome to the Stronghold Digital Mining Daily Update. Today is Tuesday, September 19th, 2023. So somebody recently asked me, hey, Stephen, what do you think about Stronghold Digital Mining's HODL strategy? And let's just kind of zoom out for a second here. Some Bitcoin mining companies, some publicly traded Bitcoin mining companies, choose to HODL Bitcoin, meaning they choose to hold Bitcoin, not just a couple dozen Bitcoin as part of their normal operations, but maybe hundreds, if not thousands, if not many, many thousands of Bitcoin on their balance sheet as part of a strategy to essentially hold on to those Bitcoin. Hopefully, right, you see a rise in the price of Bitcoin, and then you can do something constructive with that Bitcoin once the price is a lot higher. I think the way I choose to look at this is that Stronghold Digital Mining is a Bitcoin mining company. So my expectation is that we as a company be really, really good at Bitcoin mining and doing so in a profitable manner. So what does that mean? Well, that means trying to have some of the lowest costs possible for us, trying to have some of the most efficient Bitcoin mining equipment. And to then put those two things together so that we can essentially mine Bitcoin for a profit. And then we can utilize that Bitcoin that we do mine towards paying down debt, right? Increasing our footprint as it relates to internal hash rate, doing things that are basically in furtherance of our mission as a Bitcoin mining company. Now, to the extent we get to a point where, hey, we've got no debt, we've maxed out the type of growth that we're, in the short term seeking to accomplish. And then suddenly we have this extra Bitcoin. Like, what do we do with it, right? Because we're mining it. I think as a co-owner of the business, as a shareholder of the business, I think we both would hopefully like to see a situation perhaps where there's maybe a special distribution, a dividend, something whereby we as co-owners, as shareholders of the business, actually get something. Bear in mind a significant, it's not over 50% anymore, but it's pretty high up there. A very, very significant portion of this company is owned by management. So a lot of the decisions that are being made are really being made, right? You got to believe, right, from the perspective of being a shareholder and what's in the best interest of shareholders. So I think our interests as co-owners of the business are extremely aligned with that of management. Right? So I guess I'm not that concerned that we're not pursuing a HODL strategy where maybe we'd be incurring additional debt or having to seek lines of credit so that we can just keep all the Bitcoin that we're mining. We're not an investment company. We're a Bitcoin mining company. And so again, I recognize that some people have very strong opinions on this, that they feel, hey, we should be HODLing everything that we make. I'm of the view that I think we need to really be exceptional as a mining company first, being able to produce Bitcoin for a profit, pay down our debt, expand as we see fit, and then, as a secondary thought, hey, we're mining more Bitcoin than we know what to do with. From my perspective, hey, why not have a special distribution, a dividend, something along those lines? So what do you think? I'm just kind of wondering what your thoughts are with regard to the whole, should we be pursuing an investment management strategy of HODLing Bitcoin or not? I'm open-minded to what your thoughts might happen to be on the topic. I looked at the stock market. We were up a little bit today, so that's good. A little bit up is better than a little bit down. So I'll take it. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's stay positive, let's be great, and we'll see each other then.